This is impossible light activity right here. This is my shadow upright, and all of this is impossible light, while Coin Laundry is targeting. This is the same exact pattern of conduct outside of the Depot Professional Building. This is the same pattern of conduct at Starbucks inside of the cafe. This is a pattern of conduct that is supernatural. This is the special needs population while they gang stalk you and they engage in the ongoing terrorism, activity creation in the engineered light, while the people of the state provide evidence against themselves. The entity that engaged in your understanding, because this is documentation, the bigger picture is Ocean, Patty, Brian, Elena, and the entity that engaged in kidnapping on July 4, 2025, they did so under the fake sun. They did so pursuant to the impossible light that you see, that the entity is generously providing for why the people of the state are going to federal prison, and it's the Ontario police that are still gang stalking, as you see that P.O.C. They're all engaged in monitoring the evidence as well. Gang stalking police officers are going to federal prison. Gang stalking mayors are being removed from office. Kidnapping gang stalkers who are of the people of the state are going to federal prison as well. And that's what the Starbucks employees engaged in while they are monitoring the evidence, and they committed kidnapping while they were gang stalking, just like Coin Laundry is. All right, this is impossible light activity. No traffic, no walking in, no vehicle lights, no flashlight is going to create that light activity that you just saw. These are the imbeciles. This is the special needs population that's very highly unintelligent. It makes it very easy to prosecute them for domestic terrorism and psychological torture. I'm going to go ahead and show you the fake sun for purposes of completing documentation. Where the entity is stalking with light, the entity is stalking with the fake sun. All right, and during the day, and you're understanding what has nothing to do with sunlight, okay? They're all stalking. And guess what? Gang stalking immigrants, they're not welcome in this country. They're going to be deported. It's going to be a mass deportation while the entity provides evidence of terrorism amongst the entity that is gang stalking. Okay? It is currently, when you're seeing the fake sun, it's 8:31 a.m. Ontario Montclair School District was gang stalking me while I'm at the Ontario Town Square. And they did so, as I documented, remaining at that Ontario Town Square, where they are engaged in what is using minor children and the mask of children and activities centered around children to engage in federal group stalking and monitoring domestic terrorism. All right, and those are sex offenders that are working in the education sector. This is relevant to that pattern of conduct while you're seeing impossible light in the depths of this Coin Laundry room. That's the population that's stalking, knowing exactly who I am. All right, while they're crossing paths, that's what Starbucks is engaging in. While their engineered light is inside, that's a population that is special needs, targeting you. They don't have to address you, but they're not strangers. This is demonic pacing. This is P.O.C. It's Title 18 federal stalking as well. All right, this is the pattern of conduct at Coin Laundry. It is currently 8:32 a.m. And this is also documenting there is no sun over the Starbucks at 507 North Euclid Avenue. And this is called criminal presence in the path. All right, sitting in engineered light on behalf of the state. This is terrorism that the establishment is going to be prosecuted for. And this is the removal of the mayor from office. This is federal prison for Starbucks employees. While the P.O.C. and you're going to document it, and the entity that kidnaps you goes to federal prison for it. This is P.O.C. at Coin Laundry, 8:32 a.m.